Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Steam game slow download speed. So guys, to speed up and boost speed in your downloading process in Steam. Now here guys, firstly you click on Steam, then click on settings. Now here click on downloads. Here you will see option download result. Click on this drop down and here select your nearness location. Then here you will see limit bandwidth. So uncheck this one. Just you have to uncheck limit bandwidth. Then click on OK. Now restart your Steam. Now after that, click on Start and search Task Manager. Now here expand Steam. Now right click on Steam Client. Then click on Go to Details. Here you will see steam.exe. Right click on it. Then work cursor to set priority. Then select real time. Click on change priority. And also guys, you can select high in both steam.exe and steam service.exe. Right click on it, set priority and select real time or high in both one. Then click on change priority. Now close it. And third method you can try. Click on start, then type cmd. Right click on cmd. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here type this command line ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Then press enter. Now type net sh winsock space reset. So type this command line, second one, net sh space winsock space reset, then press enter. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy method we can fix and we can resolve and we can boost Steam game solo download speed. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.